Ari, who did you learn from? So many people, bro. I mean, like I said, the latest person I learned from was Davey Fogarty. Um, I did a personal interview with him for the Chemi Lab. I think I'll drop a snippet on my channel. I will drop a snippet on my channel. I'll do you guys that solid, so you can get some of the sauce that he dropped. Um, but some of it was actually business specific, so that's why I don't want to share the whole thing as well. It was in a Chemi Lab exclusive, but also, like I said, yeah, it was very business specific because he answered some of the questions that people had in the chat about their businesses. So I'll drop a snippet, but what I learned from him, I'll tell you the main lesson I got from him, or one of them. I actually learned a lot of lessons from him, but obviously Davey's worth 500 million. He's killed it in e-commerce beyond what 99.9% of people have. He's, I would say, on the level of Ben Francis, the Gymshark guy. Okay, maybe a little less, right? Maybe a little bit less, but he started later. I think he'll get there. But what he told me is that he wishes that he would have not tried to diversify so much in the beginning of the brand. He thought that they, for the Udi, they tried Pinterest, they tried YouTube, they tried Twitter, they tried blogs, they tried like so many things. But he said that literally he could have made it to 100 million a year just by focusing on meta ads and dropping new products, dropping new creatives, and just consistently focusing on that. And I just thought that was super powerful because, again, it just goes to show that we have all the answers. We have all the possible answers that we need. We just consistently want to find a novelty thing. I don't know if it's ego. I don't know if it's like, I don't know. I want to think it's curiosity, but I feel like it's a deeper rooted thing. I think it's something else. Maybe complacency. We just hate complacency. So this happens to me. As soon as Meta Ads is doing great, I'm like, okay, let's do TikTok. Let's do Google. Let's do Twitter. Like, bro, chill. Double down. Double down on what works. That's basically his piece of advice. Double down on meta ads, double down on launching new products, and that's it, dude. That's all you need to make it to 100 million a year. Obviously, logistics and stuff like that, blah, 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 a million different things. But boiling it down to the simplest terms, that was it. And I just thought that was just amazing. Like, I thought that was such a great piece of advice. I thought it was so refreshing, inspiring. I just loved it. I fell in love with that piece of advice because that's more or less what we are doing. So it made me feel like I'm on the right path, and it made me feel like it's very attainable to reach 100 million a year. And it was only through him that I was able to see that. So I'm very happy that that happened.